Okay, I don't know if you guys know what you're looking at, but this is one of the most ancient ideas of what you call spelling. This would have been what you might have even called the original three words. But they're not words. You can perceive them as a O, a D, a U, a W, a C. You can do a lot of things with these images. And there is ideas attached to these images. These aren't letters. They're a whole idea. That thing you think you looks like a 3 to the side is a type of sound wave that's much different from the other type of sound wave. That sort of D0 underneath is what holds that sound wave up. And if you're astute, you realize that's a crescent moon, but it's being forced down by something above it, turning it into what might look like a U. And then if you want to take a look at the 3, it might be 2 N's. You can do a lot with these images. And what they did was over time, they taught you languages and associated sounds with these images so that you no longer see images that give you whole concepts, but you see nothing but small frequencies to be spoken. You might call this U3O, right? Or 3UO. Right? Or maybe 1. There's an old looking thing, turn the U upside down, it looks like an N, and maybe that's the E. But that's exactly what they did. They made this, you think this means 1. This has nothing to do with the number. It's telling you this is a symbol of power and control, very specifically about what's being controlled and who's controlling it. And even at what time of the season that control might change. You're not perceiving it because you've been put under a spell with letters that spell words instead of showing you ideas. The funny thing is they left the letters in such a way that you can still see their original image. And if you understood their original image, you would then be able to perceive what you're saying or what you're looking at as you read a word. That's what this channel is going to do. I'm going to unravel everything built on this foundation. And it's like you say, it's a house of cards. I'm going to pull 3 cards out the bottom. The whole thing's going to fall, and you're going to see what's there. And hopefully from there, you too can use this sort of frequency map to plug in to the frequency you've been detached from. So be well.